If your floor finish looks dull and worn out, you gotta know how to bring back that fresh, shiny vibe without totally redoing everything. So, first up, buffing your floors is a game changer. Grab a floor buffer or even a good microfiber mop with a buffing pad and gently polish the surface to get rid of that dull haze. Next, if buffing alone isn't enough, reapplying polyurethane is your best bet to seal and protect the wood while restoring its shine. Before you do that, make sure the floor is super clean. No dust or dirt hanging around because that'll mess up the finish. Lightly sanding the surface with fine grit sandpaper helps the new polyurethane stick better, so don't skip that step. Apply thin, even coats using a high-quality brush or roller and let each coat dry fully before hitting it with the next one. Usually, 2 or 3 coats do the trick to get that rich, glossy finish back. Keep the room well ventilated while you work to speed up drying and avoid any funky smells. Also, don't forget to protect your newly finished floors by using felt pads on furniture legs and avoiding harsh cleaners. One of the biggest mistakes people make with dull floor finish is skipping the cleaning step before buffing or reapplying polyurethane. Dust and grime can trap under the new coat and cause bubbles or a rough texture. Another common issue is applying polyurethane too thickly or unevenly, which leads to drips and uneven shine. The fix? Thin layers and patience between coats. Lastly, not sanding lightly before reapplying finish messes up adhesion, so always prep your floor with fine sandpaper or a sanding screen to make sure the new finish sticks properly and lasts longer. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about finding the right pro for your floor refinishing or any other home projects. Plus, contractors get a steady flow of real leads to keep their business buzzing without wasting time chasing dead-end jobs.